Have you ever wondered about the challenges that lie ahead in preparing for the MHT CET PCM exam 2024? The maze of physics, chemistry, and mathematics can be complex and intense. Each subject, with its vastness, demands a unique approach. The sheer volume of topics to cover, the depth of understanding required, and the pressure of time make this one of the most challenging exams out there. A strategic approach is not just an option, it is a necessity. Navigating through this challenge may seem daunting, but don't worry, we've got you covered. To conquer a challenge, first, we must understand it. The MHT CET PCM is a comprehensive exam that tests your knowledge in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. It consists of 200 questions divided equally among the 3 subjects, and you have 3 hours to complete it. Each correct answer earns you 1 mark, and the best part is, there's no negative marking for incorrect answers. So, it's crucial to attempt all the questions, but remember, time is of the essence here. You have roughly a minute per question, so speed and accuracy are key. It's not just about knowing the answers, but about managing your time effectively to answer as many questions as you can. This is where your practice and preparations come into play. With the right understanding of the exam, half the battle is already won. Now, armed with the understanding of the exam, we can create a strategic study plan. A study plan is more than just a schedule. It's a blueprint for success that organizes your time and resources efficiently, helping you stay on track and achieve your goals. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating an effective study plan for the MHT CET 2024. First off, understanding the syllabus. The syllabus is your roadmap for what you need to study. It outlines the topics you'll be tested on, so it's essential to familiarize yourself with it. Break down the syllabus into manageable chunks and identify the areas where you need to focus more. Next step, allocating time for each subject. Each subject requires a different approach and a different amount of time to master. Prioritize your subjects based on their weightage in the exam and your comfort level with each. This doesn't mean you ignore the subjects you're good at. It's about finding a balance and ensuring you're dedicating ample time to each subject. Now, let's talk about revisions. Regular revisions are crucial to retaining what you've learned. Make sure to set aside some time every week for revisions. This will help consolidate your knowledge and keep the information fresh in your mind. The fourth step is practice tests. Practice tests are the best way to gauge your preparation level. They simulate the actual exam environment, helping you to improve your speed, accuracy, and confidence. Aim to take at least 1 practice test every week, analyze your performance, and use the feedback to fine-tune your study plan. Finally, the key to making this all work is consistency and discipline. It's not about studying for long hours, but rather about studying smart. Make sure you stick to your study plan, but also remember to take short breaks to refresh your mind. Remember, a well-executed study plan is the key to success in this exam. With a strategic study plan in place, you're now ready to take on the challenge of the MHT CET 2024. Let's move on to the next part of our preparation journey, identifying the right study materials and resources. With a study plan in place, the next step is to gather the right study materials and resources. The foundation of any successful preparation lies in the textbooks. For physics, chemistry, and mathematics, books by authors such as H.C. Verma, R.D. Sharma, and O.P. Tandon come highly recommended. They cover the syllabus comprehensively and are easy to understand. But textbooks alone aren't enough. To truly grasp the depth and complexity of your subjects, delve into reference books. These provide detailed explanations and include a variety of problems to practice. A key part of your preparation should also be solving previous year question papers. They offer a clear picture of what to expect in the exam, the types of questions asked, and the areas you should focus on. Mock tests are another crucial resource. They help you assess your understanding of the subjects, your speed, and your accuracy. Regularly taking these tests will also help familiarize you with the exam pattern and reduce exam anxiety. In this digital age, online resources and study apps are a boon. Websites like Khan Academy or apps like Topper provide quality content, video lectures, and interactive quizzes. They offer a different approach to learning and can be especially helpful for difficult topics. Remember, the aim is not to gather an overwhelming number of resources, but to choose quality materials that suit your learning style and cover the syllabus thoroughly. Choosing the right study materials can make a significant difference in your preparation. While we focus on academic preparation, let's not forget the importance of health and well-being. It's the secret sauce that keeps our brains sharp and our spirits high. In the throes of preparation, it's easy to overlook the significance of regular breaks. But these pauses are small investments with big returns, rejuvenating your mind and keeping burnout at bay. Now, let's talk about physical activity. Exercise isn't just about keeping your body fit. It's a powerful stress buster too. A simple walk, a jog, or a quick yoga session can do wonders for your mental clarity. And yes, a balanced diet is not to be ignored. Nutritious food fuels your brain, enhancing your concentration and memory. Lastly, maintain a positive mindset. It's natural to feel stressed, but remember to manage it effectively. Practice mindfulness, meditate, or engage in activities you love. Remember, a healthy body and mind can significantly enhance your performance in the exam. Let's quickly summarize the key points we discussed today. First off, understanding the MHT CET PCM exam is paramount. Know the syllabus inside and out, familiarize yourself with the exam pattern, and understand the marking scheme. This will give you a clear picture of what to expect. Second, create a study plan that suits your learning style. Allocate time for each subject based on your strengths and weaknesses, and stick to this plan religiously. Remember, consistency is key. Third, gather the right study materials and resources. Choose books that cover the syllabus comprehensively and make use of online resources for practice and revision. Lastly, don't forget to take care of your health and well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep will keep your mind sharp and focused. By combining these elements, understanding the exam, strategic planning, effective study materials, and sound health practices, you're setting yourself up for success. With the right approach and dedication, you can conquer the MHT CET PCM exam 2024. Good luck with your preparation.